Namaste. Kaise hai? I hope you're all doing good today. Aap sunod ka khushi hoy and shukriya for visiting my YouTube channel. I would like to introduce myself. Mera naam Christine hai and I am from Philippines. For today's vlog, I know it's very obvious in our title that I'm going to do a reactions on the trailer of Kabir Singh movie. I hope I am not so late to react onto this because it was actually released in 2019, but I just came to know this very recently. It's because of my staff introduced me this movie. Shout out to you, Gaurav. He is my staff in Dubai actually. My love for the Hindi film started 9 years ago. It was started with Three Idiots and I really love it. Actually, it was my favorite film and I watched it so many times already and I get the same feeling actually. Still the same feeling when I watched it for the first time. And after that, I started to watch all American movie which is the Gajini, PK, Doom 3, Tarzan Par, which I am not mistaken in English is Every Child is Special. And I watched some of the Hindi films actually already, but I forgot those titles. But recently I watched the Krish, which is the superhero, Dear Zindagi, Zindagi na Milaga Dobura, and also Gabar is back. Okay, to tell you honestly, actually, I've already watched the Kabir Singh movie without watching the trailer. And I really love it. Okay, so please allow me to do these reactions, and after that I'll give you my insights or my reasons why I really love this film. Okay, without further ado, let's get started.
शिवा सुन, उस दिन मैं तेरी क्लिनिक पे आया था ना, तो वहाँ पे एक लड़की थी।
प्लीज प्लीज भाई ये सब मत कर यार।
मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ, तू क्या बोल रहा है?
तू कैसा छिचोरा है बे? हाँ, डेली डेली नारा ढीला होता जा रहा है क्या तेरा? कबीर,
This is the ice thing. How can I do that in public?
रॉकेट अल्कोहल ये सब बोल रहे तेरे बारे में for God's sake। देख यार मैं तेरे को लेने आया हूँ।
नहीं, मैं नहीं आऊँगा।
क्यों?
नहीं आऊँगा मतलब नहीं आऊँगा ना, बोला नहीं आऊँगा।
This is my favorite part.
हाथ से फिसल गया सर।
First,
नहीं
run for your life.
साला इतना दारू पिएगा मर जाएगा साले।
मेरा घर है, मैं जो करूँगा करूँगा।
Fuck off!
This is the start.
ये सब चलता रहा तो भूल जाएगा क्या उसको?
नाम क्या है? प्रीति।
Oh, you're so pretty,
प्रीति कोई ऐसी वैसी डिग्री नहीं है। दिस इज MBBS। वहाँ पीछे बैठ के क्या कर रही हो? आज कौन सा लेक्चर है?
एनाटॉमी।
कम आई टीच यू।
वो चैप्टर क्लोज होके भी 6 महीने हो गए, तू अभी भी प्रीति प्रीति कर रहा है। अगर उसको कुछ हुआ ना, I'll be the most fucking affected, you understand?
I really love her, man.
Kabir, what do you like in me?
Like the way you breathe.
No, Kabir, wait. Kabir, please wait. Kabir, please.
तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ प्रीति।
अगर तुझ में भी मेरे लिए वैसा पागलपन है, then call me, otherwise you know me.
लाइफ में एक टाइम ऐसा आता है जब अंदर से ना घंटी बजती है, तब बंद कर देना चाहिए सब, नहीं तो ये बंदा गया।
दर्द तुम्हारा बदन में मेरे जहर की तरह उतर रहा है। ख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए। क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल आए।
इस गुस्से को लेके क्या करोगे तुम लाइफ में कबीर?
I'm not a rebel without a cause, sir.
Wow. Before I go on to my review, I took this trailer on the T-Series, and when I checked the T-Series channel, it has a freaking 144 million subscribers. Like what? ये क्या है? Isn't it amazing? Wow, congratulations T-Series for having that much of YouTube subscribers. After watching the Kabir Singh, I also watched the original version of Kabir Singh, and it was good as well. But for me, I like better the remake one, right? Okay, on the trailer itself, you can feel a lot of emotions. You can feel happiness, you can feel sadness, you can feel anger, and you can feel of being loved, right? But on this movie, what I really like the most is that it's not a speak only the love between one person to one another, like the love between Preeti and Kabir. But I like the unconditional love of the family and the friends of Kabir. I really admire his best friend for not leaving Kabir on his side at all, in good times and in bad times, even though Kabir wasn't that good at all towards him. I love Kabir seeing family, his brother, his father, his grandmother. I remember she said that suffering is very personal, so let him suffer. Because I think she realized, or she knows that one day that Kabir will gonna realize all his mistake and he will change for the better. In this movie, it is showing what's really happening in this world. There are a lot of people suffering from depression, from pain, and they drown themselves with alcohol, and the worst thing is they drown themselves with drugs. And because of that, they became so violent and came to the point that they hurt the person they love. And because of the unconditional love and support of the family and friends, they overcome those depressions and they become a better person. And in this movie, it tells us that if you are really meant to be together, God will find a way for you to meet and continue the love story that you have. I know this movie already watched by most of Indian people, so I am recommending this movie to all my Filipino friends. Please watch the Kabir Singh. It is really, really nice. And to all my Indian friends, please, if you know a movie which I think I need to see or I need to watch, please comment down below and I'll definitely check it. Alvida!